Okay. Yeah, this way. Yeah. Be careful, just stand like that. Michael. They haven't started yet, anak.
Why?
5:30, anak,
What did
5:30.
the announcement say?
5:30 they'll start.
No, they're starting.
Michael, there's a guy on top of you. Baby, are you right? Huh? Are you right? You can go behind this guy. You're taller than him. Michael. Are you right, anak? Baby.
How many more minutes?
Yeah, only 4 minutes, anak. 4 minutes.
Where are they?
They're getting ready.
What are the people? What are the
All the mascots.
What are the mascots getting ready for?
For the parade. Hurry up, ah. Properly.
Voilà.
Are you right, anak? No, they're gonna pass by that street.
Why?
Because that's there, ano.
That's there.
That is there. Start na, come on. Hi. Well, they're not here yet. Just at the back. It's the castle. And this is Michael.
They're ready.
They're ready? Okay. They're ready? Okay.
How many more minutes? How many more?
2 minutes. 2 minutes in 2 minutes. They're ready in 2 minutes. Kuya Buboy is watching you. He's going to watch the parade. Kuya Buboy, the daddy of Vilban and Ian. He was not there when Lolo died.
Who is not there?
Kuya Buboy.
Why?
Because he has work.
Is the father from? How many more minutes now?
Di na.
How many more minutes are coming?
Ay, Ninong Moreno is watching you. Oh, dada na. Ready? Ninong Moreno is watching, Daddy. Hi, you say how you... Oh, you there na? Ready? Get set. Ninong Moreno is...
I cannot see.
Ay! Oy! Ay!
Sit down.
No, they're not allowed to sit down.
No,
He cannot see. There, beside that. Yeah, that. Oh, there. Okay. No, yeah. You can see from here. It's alright. You can see from here. You can see that, Yes.
You want to see
Oh, no, Michael. No, it's alright.
Why does someone push the
No, pushing. No, it's alright. No, there.
I cannot see.
Okay, you can have a little bit. Thank you. You say thank you. The- Ay, baby. Michael. Yeah. Ay, na.
Mommy, how many minutes?
Okay. Yeah, there you go. Thank you. You say grazie. Oh, merci
Alors
beaucoup.
là, putain.
Merci beaucoup. You say merci beaucoup.
I don't know a different language.
Ay. Oh, talaga. Oh, look at me. When they come, you have to say hi to me, so I can capture. Okay? Ready?
Chloé, t'arrêtes. Je sais pas.
Give me your phone. I'll catch his reaction. This one, I'll catch the parade. That one, I'll catch his reaction. Thank you. Michael.
Okay, how many more minutes?
Now it's time. Now is the time.
They're coming now.
Yes, they are.
Where are they?
Yeah,
Where are they?
they're coming now. When you hear the music, it means they're starting na.
Je vais y aller, moi.
Don't touch it, anak.
Bon, je rappelle.
There na.
Calme-toi.
Ay, ko, Diyos ko po. Ariel! We're going to watch the parade. What's this, Adi? There. Okay. Now, they're starting na, anak.
Tant qu'ils arrivent.
I cannot see.
Wait lang, you have to wait, anak. They're gonna pass here. They'll come here. They're gonna come here, anak. They're gonna come
How
here.
many more minutes?
It's time na. That's why they're ready. You have to be give them to her.
Das siehst du nicht. Komm mal bitte hier hin. Zu Jungs, da gibt es einen Platz. Komm mal bitte hier hin. Komm mal bitte hier hin. Ich halte
Happy birthday! Thank you, Chel. We're waiting for the parade now. Not yet. When you hear the people cheering, it means it started. Right? See, look at the little...
Kommst du bitte jetzt mal hier hin? Die Leute hinter dir wollen auch was essen.
Why are they not coming yet?
They're coming now.
Bitte. Komm mal bitte her.
Chloé, non.
Komm mal bitte hier hin jetzt.
Ready? Ay. Mike, don't pull it. You're gonna fall down. Anak naman. Don't touch it. Ang kulit.
Gefährlich sonst.
Stay put, anak. Otherwise, you won't be able to watch.
C'est mort. Il n'y a jamais rien.
Look at your face.
After yata ng parade, uwi na kami. We're gonna go after the parade. Or sabay bang parade and then Chel? Sabay bang parade and then fireworks? Anyways, nakapanood naman si Michael ng fireworks ha.
I don't like fireworks.
You don't like fireworks. Ayaw niya daw ng fireworks. Parade lang hangga papanoorin niya. Michael, don't. Isa naman.
Watch that video.
You watch the video or you watch the parade?
Watch the video.
Anong watch the video?
Video.
There na! You see? Oh, there na. You can hear now. Michael, don't move. You just stay in your place. I think they're starting na. Oh, because they're ano na, taking pictures. Not yet.
Come, yes, thank you.
They started, no, Michael.
Don't touch the phone,
Don't touch the phone. Ah. Ang kulit naman ang anak.
Where is it?
Coming, they're coming. They're coming na. Filipino time pala rin. Ay. Filipino time pala sila, Chel. Ano ng oras? 35. They're starting. Ano ba?
Ah, voilà, bébé.
Ate Chona, ayan na! Start na! Yay! Yay! Wow! Clapping ang baby. Oh, daliwat! Yay! Clapping ang baby. Yay! Oh, no. You're gonna fall down there, huh? Ay, ba? Wow. Oh, they'll be dancing. Wow, Michael's dancing as well, Daddy. Oh, dali. Daddy, are you okay? You can see? Michael, don't move there because the baby... They're coming na, anak. Yeah, there it is. And there they are. Michael. There. Michael, look. You can see? Oh, I can't go back. They're excited na. I think they're coming. Daddy. Daddy. Yeah, they're coming na, anak. Oh, wow. Daddy, your son is dancing. Sing. Michael, don't go there, huh? Oh, they're coming na.
Yeah, Troy.
Are you alright, anak? Look at the little girl, sister. You okay, Daddy?
Mommy, I said where are they?
No, they're coming now. See, the guards are here. Oh. The usherettes. The ushers. See? Oh, look at the little boys clapping na. So I think they're approaching. Oh. I think they're gonna be staying anyways in one place, no? Coming. Gamay ka na, kamak. I can't.
But the guards are not leaving them.
Hi, Michael.
Why the guards are not?
No, they're coming na. Oh, the little girl is saying hello na, oh. I think they're near na. Ay, see, na. I can hear na. Michael is saying hello. Oh, wait, they're coming. They're gonna be here. Ah, there na! See? They're stopping anyways. Oh, see, they're dancing, oh, see? They're dancing, look. Woo! They're dancing, oh. See, Apinoki is there? Oh, there's Pinocchio. Hi, Pinocchio! Dali! Pinocchio! Hi! Wow, she's dancing, oh. And the dada papa of Pinocchio. Oh, see? They're dancing. Daddy, come. Ah, see? Oh, Pinocchio is dancing. And then the papa.
Don't bring mascot on.
Hi! Say hello to you. You got scared? Wow, the ano, ay, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse are there. Oh, that's the daddy of Pinocchio. And the penguins. Hi, penguins! Hello, hi! Ay, 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 ay. Oh, he's beside you na. Oh. He's in front of you, in front. Look at the parade na, there. Yay! Yay! Woo! Oh, wow. Oh, Donald Duck. Hi! 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 Say, ay, Goofy, look, go. Oh, well. Goofy, oh, dali. This is a Toy Story, anak. The Toy Story ones. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, look, hey. Hi, that is that, where's Daddy? There's Daddy. Hi. Too many woodies, no? Too many woodies. So they're dancing. Too many woodies. Too many? There, the big, Buzz is there. Oh, see? Buzz. Daddy. Uy, Michael and an alien. Michael, Woo. And Goofy, who's that one? And then the alien, he's blowing bubbles. Look, he's blowing bubbles. Woo. Ay, Woody is riding the dog. See? Woody is riding the dog. Hi, Woody. Hi. Hi. Who's that? Hi. And who's next? Who's next? Hi, Daddy. Are you right? Daddy, are you alright? There's another one. Lion King. Ay, ala, Pumbaa po. Who's that? Rafiki is dancing on top. Ala. Rafiki is dancing on top. Rafiki is dancing. Woo! Raise the roof, sabi ni Rafiki. Ala, look at the Puma. Wow, dancing. Look at him. Ala, the Lion King. Woo! Hi! Yes, hi! Hi! Hello! Lion King. That's it. This now Frozen. Is it Frozen? What is it? What's next? You can see Daddy? Oh, there the. Who's that? Who's that? That is the. Who's that one? The pirates. All right. Who are those? Who are those? Huh? Who are those? The pirates. I think that is Peter Pan. That is. Yeah, that is Hook. Captain Hook. This is Peter Pan. Oh, that's Peter Pan. Look up the one in wearing, oh, see, the saying hello, that's Peter Pan. Hi, Peter Pan. Hi, Peter Pan. Hi, Peter Pan.
At my house.
Yes. Can you bring all the mascots? Okay. Finito? Finished? There. Who's next? That is? What's that? Ay! Nemo! Oh! And then the giant turtle. Finding Nemo, no? Yes? Finding Nemo, no? It's Finding Nemo. Finding Nemo. Finding Nemo. Finding Nemo. I like it.
Wow! Quelle allure! Trop fort!
More? O basta? Basta? Finito? Finished? Well, there's more. Oh. Ah, this is, the king. What's that? It looks like the king. Who's that one? Huh? Who's that one? King? Who's that king? Who's that king? Hala, hala, those are the, ay. What are those, anak? What are those, anak?
I'm getting older mascots.
Hala, ay. What's that? Ah, the dragon, Oregon? Is it Oregon? Is it Oregon, anak? Oregon? Oh, look, the dragon. The dragon. Hello. Oh, ay! Did you see that? Ay! Ah! Wow! Did you see the fire? Oh, 1, 2, 3, go! Again! Up! Oh, look at the, he is riding a bicycle. Ala. Ay. Ala. Oh! Ala, look, Michael. Oh. Who's that? I think Frozen is next. The baby girl is scared. The baby got scared. That is the... Ay! They're rollerblades. They're wearing rollerblades, anak. Oh, see? Oh, those are the witches. Are they the three? Ah, fairies. Okay, fairies pala. The three fairies. Hi! Hello. Hi! You didn't say. That is? Who's that? Who's that, anak? Who's that princess? Is that Cinderella? What's that? Huh? Who's that?
And Tiana.
All the princesses, they're all here na. All the princess. All the princess are here, anak. Michael, look at me. Hi. Michael. Hi, hello there, hi, hello. It says hello to you. That is Moana or what? And then Mulan, yes? Yes or no? What's that? Next is Huh? What?
I'm gonna bring all the mascots to my hotel.
You want to bring all the mascots in your hotel?
But you can put them into different
Okay.
hotels. Actually.
Oh, who's that? That is? Ay, that is ano? Oh, look. This is the ano? Elsa. What's that? Frozen. Frozen now. Frozen. Oh, Frozen. That's Elsa and Anna. Oh, look. Yeah, on top. Ay, Michael, get up.
I'm gonna bring all the mascots home.
All right.
Michael, look for her. Michael, look.
Daddy, are you right? Stars on parade. Look at all the stars. What is that? Finished? It's finished? They're just following. Finished? Stars on parade. It's finished. Frozen was the last one. Finished! It's finished, Nana.
Now I'm gonna bring all the mascots home.
Ay, you cannot bring them all home. Huh?
What is that?
I'm gonna bring all the mascots home. How?
What? By bicycle.
How are you going to bring them home?
By a luggage. A luggage. You can shrunk them small and put
Wait
them
a
in
little.
there.
Wait a bit, the people moving, baby.
Okay. Ay, battery critical low na ako.